Okay, I have an Avis 8350 that I received from Roger Moore. The lock does work. It's not a key retaining lock. Key will come out with the shackle open. Okay, it's locked up. Okay, I've never opened one of these with a Kwikset keyway, and with this type of bitting on this Kwikset. So let's see what happens with this Kwikset. I will attempt to gut it and see what's in it. Okay, let's start at the front. Okay, there's pin 3. Okay, 4 and 5 a little bit. A little bit of faucet out of 1. A little bit out of 2 then. Okay, a little bit more faucet out of 1. Feels like it's got a spool there. Okay, number 1 gives us quite a bit of a faucet. Okay, and it's open on pin 2. Okay, let's gut it, see what kind of pins are in this Avis. Let's see, I believe I need a Phillips, yes. Okay, let's see. Okay, we've got a, looks like a clip on the back. Okay, let me lock it back up till I get the clip off. Okay, there's the clip off. The lock doesn't feel exactly right. Okay, we've got a pin here, looks like. Looks like someone has been into this lock and changed things up. Don't know for certain, but it sure looks like it. Let's see. Yeah, there's something in the lock. It's not going to let that go through. So, let's see if we can remove it this way. A little bit more. Okay, looks like a serrated pin on number 5. Okay, number 4 looks like some sort of spool. We'll look at them real close in a moment. Okay, that one popped out. Don't know exactly how it was in there. But maybe we can work this out. That's a weird pin. Well, that's just half of it. I guess that's the other half. Looks like a T-pin. I think Roger is sneaky. Supposed to have a oh boy, he is sneaky. See if we can find the right key pins that goes in this that fell out. Okay, I'll have to sort those key pins out later. Okay, I'll sort those key pins out a little bit later. Roger, I have no idea how you had all these in, but I thought we had just a regular ABUS. So let's take a closer look at this core. Flattened on top. All spots are threaded. Roger, I'm ashamed of you. Pulling a fast one like that. And all the chambers are threaded in the Bible. What is all this in here, Roger? You got all kinds of copper shavings in here, looks like. Yep. That's why the lock was so rough. Okay. Maybe we can get this thing back together. Okay, that's what we have in this ABUS. I appreciate you watching. And Roger, thanks for the lock. See, we better take a look at the pins as much as we can, since I don't really know which way you had them in there, Roger. I'll figure it out though. Okay, let's get that a close up. Okay, there's some type of I don't know what you call it. There's a spool, and this, I don't know where this piece went to, but we'll figure that out on the last two. Okay, this probably went with this T-pin here. Okay, all the bottom pins are serrated, and here's one serrated pin. And on number 5, both those are serrated. Okay, thank you very much. I appreciate you watching. Please do not do anything illegal, and please stay out of trouble. And thank you again. And thank you too, Roger.